easy runs. Add another boundary to it. Beautifully struck. It's glorious as well. 50 partnership comes up at a Eastleigh. Straight as they come to bring up Abdullah Shafique, his return to the test match.
And this
might be another boundary. Yes, but gifts really from Kavem Hodge. And that would be an outfield at the Queen's Park Oval. Is another full toss from Kavem Hodge.
Has been hammered well in front of square.
Batting at number 3 for the first. He's produced quite a memorable moment at the Queen's Park Oval. Just against this opposition. What a moment.
What an innings it's been from the young right-hander.
And an emphatic way to get there. And what a performance it has been. His captain with him to celebrate. Proud from all of his family members and supporters. 26 years.